Welcome back to Hanging with Liz. Today I got a Pinch Me package. And let's open it up and see what's inside.
By the way, I'm Bella, hanging out with Liz, of course.
Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Pinch Me wallet. And the Solitaire Grand Harvest ad. You can enjoy a free welcome bonus if you use this to download it. And makeup brushes. Now I've received these before from them, so these will probably end up hers. But these are really, really nice. Let's open them up, shall we? There should be about 20 brushes.
Looks like someone wants them too.
Some of them are double-sided. And some of them are not. And let's each open up a brush of some sort. And you can fill it.
So you want to fill the brush?
No. Okay, guys. So you can fill it when you rub it against your hand. It's pretty soft, actually. And it holds shape well. I already have these.
These are actually really nice. It's got a good cut to it. It's nice and, like, I flipped it a few times and it's holding.
And I love the color.
Really good shape.
Is that glit color? You can see it. I would say these are really nice brushes.
I love the little ombre too, that white to black on them.
This one's got pink to it.
And there's like this little like glitter-ish to them.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's shimmery. It looks pink on the camera probably, but it's got a nice metallic shimmer, like a glitter one almost, but not.
It's
glitter.
definitely a metallic pink.
It's not gonna rub off on your hand or anything, but it's really pretty.
Yeah, it's got a little glit to it. It's got a metallic color.
And you got all sorts of brushes. This is a full set. So you got this little thing.
The mascara brush.
Yep, and you got the lip gloss brush, I think.
That's the eyeliner brush.
Okay, and eyeliner, I don't know my brushes, I'm sorry. But it's got like every brush, okay? This is a huge set.
Here's your lip brush.
Here's the lip brush. And this chunk
Blush
right
brush.
here. Ooh, this is one of my favorite brushes.
Ah, the crease brush.
Yeah, I like that curved eyeshadow. I use it for eyeshadow, I'm not gonna lie. I like using it for fine
The crease
lines.
brush is for eyeshadow. It's for up where your eyelid meets your like face.
Oh, I don't use it like that, but I do use it. It looks good, I promise. When I do it, it looks good.
You know what? I will say this. A brush is a brush, okay?
Yeah.
If it works for you, do it. Because, see, my eyes are, like, really tiny lids. So, when I have the bigger eyeshadow brushes, like this blending brush right here, when I use the bigger eyeshadow brushes, it's my whole bloody lid. See? So, for me, that's not worth using. But a lot of people like them, and blending's important. It's important to have a blending brush.
It is important.
But for me, this is just as good as a blush brush because it's just so big. So I prefer smaller brushes too. So I get what you're saying. And I will say, these are a very good quality brush considering. They are free on pinchme.com. They do ask you to sign up for something. I signed up for a game and I played to level 3 and that's how I got them. So, and this is my second set. I didn't realize I was going to get 2 sets, but it's cool. So now my daughter has one, see?
It's a
now,
really good set too.
These do have a peach one and they have a black tipped one. And I would say it's almost like having 2 sets of the same, but it's really good. There's a good set in here. And there is more than enough if someone's just starting makeup or even a professional makeup person to do a couple good looks before you have to wash them again. So yeah. Totally worth it. 100% worth it.
Yeah.
A nice set. Definitely worth having. So you can check that out at Pinch Me. I do like the Pinch Me site. They have a lot of freebies you get. Little samples and things that you can try out. And you send reviews for. It's kind of like Influencer, but different. So check it out. Alright. Well, that's everything on this video. So, bye y'all.
Bye.